The eighth Pymetric game is the Lengths Game. You are presented with 90 emojis, one after the other, and you have to identify if the emoji has a long or a short smile. If you see a long smile, press the right arrow key. If short, press the left. The game is measuring traits such as attention to detail, motivation styles, and learning ability, all vital in today's ever changing workplace. Looking at the two emojis side by side, we can see it is very difficult to tell them apart. So don't rush through this game and really take the time, pay close attention, and then make your decision. Your motivation is measured by the last round's outcome. It's not based on if your previous answer was right or wrong, but rather the reinforcement you received. After you press the arrow key, you receive one of three outcomes: positive reinforcement, a success marker shown as a check mark; high positive reinforcement, showing the check mark with a monetary reward of 50 cents; and a negative reinforcement, showing nothing, which indicates your answer was wrong. Your reaction to each outcome helps measure your motivation style. This game sorts you into one of four categories, providing companies insights into your natural working conditions. If your performance stays the same, regardless of which reinforcement you get, you are likely an intrinsically motivated person. This means you're driven by personal satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment, regardless of external rewards or praise. If your performance dramatically increases after receiving a high positive reinforcement, a checkmark with a monetary prize, you are an extrinsically motivated, reward driven individual and benefit from a reward risk environment. A lot of jobs offer extrinsic rewards for your progress, but nurturing your intrinsic motivation can improve your consistency, especially when the rewards are days apart. If your performance decreases significantly after receiving a positive reinforcement, this shows your responsiveness to external validation, indicating you are an extrinsically motivated, recognition dependent individual. This is common as getting praise without something objective like money doesn't feel like much. In our case, getting a check mark without the money doesn't feel like a win. Again, there are lots of jobs which will offer an objective reward, but building resilience to a lack of these rewards can provide a stable drive regardless of the situation. The fourth group are the most influenced by their external environment. If you received a high positive reinforcement, your performance improves. If you receive a negative reinforcement, your performance decreases. Simply put, you are heavily influenced by your environment. This can be great in jobs with a clear feedback mechanism, such as customer or people oriented roles, but this might lead to performance fluctuation. The length game can be a challenge, but with the right strategies and preparation, you can improve your performance and gain valuable insights into your motivation style and who you are. Two strategies to help enhance your performance overall: harnessing your focus and attention to detail, and cultivating intrinsic motivation. To harness your focus, remember what the difference is. It's not the emoji, it's only the smile. So ignore everything else and solely focus on this. Also, remember the game is not time based, so don't rush. Take the time to truly observe the smile in detail before making a decision. To cultivate intrinsic motivation, ignore the reinforcements. Unless you are in a field like sales or customer success, you will receive extrinsic rewards on a daily basis. So, to maintain your performance and stay consistent, your motivation must come from something else that is consistent, such as your personal drive to accomplish. Strive for accuracy, not for a monetary reward, but rather to achieve a personal best or to challenge yourself. Developing intrinsic motivation won't just help at work, but also in your personal life, driving you to lead a healthier, self sustaining lifestyle, leading to many more successes throughout your life.